Hi, we're Cleaning Angels, and we're coming to you today to demonstrate how to clean a kitchen sink. We're going to use these products, some degreaser, Lime Away, Dawn dish detergent, a green scrubby, and I love microfabric towels. So we're going to go over here and we're going to wet the sink. We're going to wet the sink first. Then we're going to spray it with some of our degreaser. Put a little Lime Away. And by the way, this is Lime Away toilet bowl cleaner. It gets out water deposit, calcium, hard water stains. So that's why we use this in the sink. And on stainless steel. Stainless steel and porcelain. Now we're going to take our scrubby and we're going to scrub. And you're going to make sure you get down in the hole of the kitchen sink. It's brown down in there. Do you see the brown ring around there? That's what we're after. We want to remove that brown ring. And you're going to always make sure if there's any coffee stains, brown around here, you're going to scrub that and get it out. Because you want your sink to be clean at the end of your scrubbing. Make sure you clean your faucet really good. Your handle under here. Your faucet around here, around this little hole, and you want to get any brown rust from around the bottom of your faucet. And then you rinse. Now I want you to see this. You see this side here? It's still dirty. So you're gonna watch for that. If your sink is not uniformly patterned, you're gonna go back and scrub it again. And now we're gonna put a little detergent to finish cleaning it, a little Dawn. And we're gonna scrub away the Lime Away, the multi-purpose cleaner, and anything else that we left. We're gonna now scrub it away with the dish like to stay stuck onto those areas. Then you rinse it really good with your sprayer. And you're looking for anything that you might have missed. Really well, and then you're going to let that water kind of drain down. And in house cleaning, we never leave a sink, counter, tub, anything wet. We never leave it wet, and so we're going to dry it with this microfabric towel.